In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method about how you can make Google Sheets shortcut on your desktop in 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Before getting started, if you're new to the channel and you found this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So there is two specific ways. First of all, open the Google Sheets. And the first method is by opening Google Sheets dashboard, and you can simply add it to your desktop, or you can choose a specific sheet. Let's go with a specific sheet. Let's open a blank new, and then from that go through for the three dots, scroll down until you see Castle Save and Share, and again to create a shortcut, click on it and rename it as you want. As example, let's choose my sheet and then create. Then go to your desktop and you will find it appear right here, and once you click it, it automatically will open that specific sheet. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.